Okay, I am going to be trying to set up where my reels will share automatically. So I'm in my profile. I go to the triple line up in the top right corner and settings and privacy at the top. Then I go to account center, which should be right in the middle. Oh, first, make sure you've updated to the latest version of Instagram. So go to your app store on your iPhone and update all of your apps so that Facebook and Instagram also update. Okay, now that we're here, we go to profiles. Nope, that's not it. I want connected experiences, sharing across profiles, and then I'm going to click on my task team Instagram. So now it says share from Instagram, share to Facebook, and I can choose my story, Instagram post, Instagram reels. I don't have this set up yet, so I'm going to set this up. I'm going to say allow. Is that it? Is that how easy it is? I don't want my stories to go just because I don't do enough stories from this account, but I do for my other business account, so that's why that's turned off. So this should work. I'm going to try it and let you know. So now I've created this reel and I am just about to post it. Now that I've set that up, in my settings, you see it says here, share to Facebook, audience is public, sharing is task team, and it says on. So I'm going to hit share. Wait for that to post. This is my friend Lisa. She's great at reels. Okay. So now that's showing up here on Instagram. I'm going to hit view insights and see if it shows Facebook likes it too. Nope. So let's go over to Facebook and again make sure you've updated to the most recent one. And it shared automatically. Look at that. So now I can see my insights and see those Facebooks. Okay, let me know if that works for you.